Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about battery products. So the battery products have been around for a while, but they've really made huge advancements the last few years. So when battery first came out, it was kind of like you'd buy they had little batteries, not great performance. So really, results were really what you were looking for. But the products have come a long ways. So all the brands we represent have really come out with some great series of battery products. You know, from Still, Toro, Echo, and the DeWalt. And they're coming out with a full platform. So what's nice, once you have that platform, there's a lot of tools. So you don't need to buy more chargers and batteries. So you can interchange batteries depending on the products. And also, like, there's some tools that take a lot more batteries, if that's the right way to say that. You need more juice to finish a job, like a blower takes a lot of power. So if you have a battery from your trimmer, it gives you that extra battery to get the job finished. Where some tools don't take a lot of hedge trimmer, you might be able to finish it with the battery from your trimmer. You might be able to finish your hedge trimming. So it gives you a lot of flexibility, and there's different size batteries to match the needs. Just to touch on DeWalt, so they're a big name in the battery, been around for a long time and a leader in battery technology. With the power tool industries. So what's nice with this, if you do have DeWalt power tools, it's the same batteries. And they have a lineup of 20 volt product and 60 volt. So I talked about those small products that maybe didn't meet your needs. So this 20 volt is a step up from that, but this is going to be slightly less performance than what maybe your gas product will be. But I don't want to say that's not a good choice for you. If you don't have a lot to do, it's still got plenty of power and it'll get the job done. But if you're looking for that true gas performance, this 60 volt product is just incredible. It gives you the performance plus then of a gas powered. So this is really, and then they add features as well, comfort features, longer shafts, you know, whatever. It's really, they wanted to go after so there was no compromises. So with the 60 volt product, that'll give you the performance you're looking for. And there's a full line of 60 volt product. And you'll find that with all the brands. They're coming out with tools, really going after that higher end gas performance. And so when I say, is it right for you? So for home use, I would say most times it absolutely makes sense. Instead of having to deal with mixing the gas, having fuel related problems, they're really simple and they're great. And commercial users are starting to look at it. The performance is there. You know, it's a matter of, you know, that's a little different discussion, but definitely for home use, definitely something that you should take a good hard look at. And I would strongly recommend, and there's a lot of tools to tackle really any projects you have for your, you know, your outdoor needs. So that's a little bit about battery, just in general. Stop on in, talk to us. We'll be happy to go through all the different options. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz.